So guys, we were talking about how India responded basically to the attack done by the Pakistanis, the terrorism group of Pakistanis. So India ने basically immediate response तो नहीं किया, but there were some immediate actions that India has taken in response to that act. First thing we had they suspended the Indus Water Treaty, right? Due to which it is going to affect the economy of the Pakistan, because major water of the Indus River flows into the Pakistan, so definitely it will affect it. And then second step that India has taken, India has closed the that Kartarpur corridor, because it was a corridor which was linking the both the Punjab states of India and Pakistan. So basically क्या था इस करतारपुर corridor के बारे में we are just going to talk about it. Basically Indians used to visit one of the pilgrimage shrine of the Guru Nanak Dev, who was the 10th Guru, right? So the Sikh people, those who just considered Guru Nanak Dev as his 10th Guru. He is a very important person for them. So people used to travel to Pakistan to visit the shrine basically, right? तो इस कॉरिडोर को भी हमने बंद कर दिया. उसके बाद में of course टेंशन चल ही रही थी. People were very much unhappy. They were very much intentions ki why these things are happening again and again, why Pakistan is attacking the India, why the terrorist groups are just attacking the Indian people, Indian civilians. So of course there was a lot of pressure on the Indian government also to respond against this. So of course India ne response kiya 7th May ko, right? And in response to that, what India has done, India has with full planning, we developed our air defense system, we attacked, we retaliated towards this act of Pakistanis. We just we have basically attacked the three sites of Pakistan, which are the hub of the terrorist groups, Muzaffarabad, Kotli and Bhavalpur, right? और रिसोर्सेज के हिसाब से पता चलता है कि इसमें बहुत सारे टेररिस्ट मारे गए, बहुत सारे टेररिस्ट ग्रुप्स डिस्ट्रॉय किए गए इंडिया के, पाकिस्तान के.